Ready? Hold on.
Hi. Hi, Marcus. Hi, Marcus. Hello. Hello.
Now this is Marcus's first feeding. Rice cereal. Are you ready? What do you think?
He's just holding it in his mouth. He's not. There he goes. There he goes. What happened?
Okay, made too much. Mommy's not gonna have any, sorry.
He won't eat it. What? Nom, nom, nom.
I don't know if he's eating it or...
No, he's not. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes.
Gotta get used to it. Yeah. Goes with the flow. He's a good boy.
All right. There we go.
And do some more? Good boy.
All right, he's getting it. He's getting it. Yum.
Oh, Marcus.
Hey.
Some more? Aw.
Oh, yum, yum, yum.
Sorry, with the bib on.
Yum, 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 yum. How's that? How's that? Oh, there we go.
Lost that a little bit.
There we go.
Is it good?
You made a lot, huh?
I just made a tablespoon.
Yum,
I
yum,
probably
yum,
should have done
yum,
a
yum.
teaspoon. We won't eat the whole thing. It's okay.
All right, he's getting the hang of it.
Here we go. Good boy. What do you think? Not sure?
There we go. Marcus.
Coming right out.
Come over.
Yeah. Good boy.
There you go.
If I just put it like that, he'd take a little at a time. Good boy.
Yum. Pizza next.
He definitely watches us when we eat. Some more? Oh, it's a big one. We're making mess. Oh, Marcus.
What are you doing?
That's what he was doing
Marcus.
yesterday. Want to take a break? Let's clean up your face a little bit, huh? What do you think? You do good? Some more? Oh, okay. Oh, don't with your hands. No.
Hello. Hello. Oh, there we go.
Oh.
All right. Oh, making a mess. Hey.
Oh, Marcus.
Oh.
Oh, wow, you're a pro now. Okay.
There we go. Hi. Hey.
Oh,
Okay, you're doing so much.
okay. Yeah, that's probably enough for now.
Yeah. Okay. Good boy.
Good boy! Yay!
Just under 4 months old. We had some rice cereal.
Yes.
First couple bites. You got the hang of it now. Right?
Good boy, Marcus.
Right? You got the hang of it. Yes,
Yeah.
you do.